can't. I can't. I'm not ready. It's not right. I gotta figure this shit out.
You got like 4 cameras.
Huh? I do, but everything is not going right. Okay, guys, let me get started. First of all, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna season this chicken. I wash my hands off for camera, but don't even worry about it because you're not eating it. I am. So let's adobo this. Put all that in there. Onion powder. Because I'm going to make the buffalo sauce. That's the key. That is going to be the key. And some garlic powder. Excuse me. First, what I should have had did was caramelize these onions. So let me get this stove on, going. Let me show y'all. I'm going to turn here and turn my stove on to medium. We're going to turn that on. Let's get that stove hot right there. Get that nice and hot. Or whatever while we season our chicken and stuff. And get my onions in there. Because this is going to be a little bit spicy. If you don't like spicy or whatever, that's what we like up in here. That's what we like up in here. Get the seasons up in there. Oh, y'all can't even see. I'm just mixing the seasons and stuff up in my chicken. Get that nice seasons and everything. I'm about to caramelize these onions. A little extra virgin olive oil. This is real slow right now because I couldn't even get my laptop going, but the next ones will be on point. So just work with me, guys. My next shows will be great. Huh? And then, so the oil is going. I'm going to drop these onions up in here. I chopped some onions. This is just a little buffalo chicken cheesesteak because I got some stuff. I can cook some stuff, but this is just the first one, so this is what I'm going to do. Elijah, you should have the camera on. You should take my camera video for it. Anyway, just because I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to have my man to sit there and record me. Say hi, babe. So, let me turn this camera around and you just watch my work, right? I don't even know how to turn the camera around. Just a moment. That's olive oil. There you go.
Expensive stuff. Expensive oil.